because I fear, oh, it is impossible. Yet another talk today. Welcome to the space of higher thoughts, Theta Healing with Rachna Mehra. This, I can't do that. Oh, it's impossible. Oh, it's not my age. Oh, I am inexperienced. Personally, I believe the same. Stop being judgmental. Age is no bar. A day comes in life, sooner or later, and you start to question yourself. What was I waiting for? You cannot sight pass your dreams or your goals thinking that you have no time and it is impossible. Projects are fun to work with. If it happens, it works. If it doesn't, it's okay. You don't give up. If you are passionate about your goals and dreams, it is meant to happen no matter what. Take it as an adventure in life. Struggles and pains and failures are going to come up, and rather call it as experiences, and experiences teach us a lot. You learn from your experiences and you grow and you evolve. I personally believe because of your past, you are here and your future is now. What are you waiting for? Jumpstart into things, take a first step, capture your thoughts, work on your beliefs, take a step forward and create your own reality, a life of your dreams, a world, a better place to be, live in togetherness. And let's give you few downloads for expansion of your consciousness with your verbal permission. Yes, you may feel light and you may feel a change and shift with these downloads. Be ready to receive and say yes. That you know what it feels like to understand your intuition, that you know what it feels like to trust your intuition, that you know what it feels like how to be on your path in the divine connection and on the path of divine source guiding you with solutions, and you move forward in life in your highest best and in ease and grace. Say yes. Also give a download that you know what it feels like to create and manifest the life of your dreams and create your own reality, and that you know and you are aware where are you moving forward in life with the right support system, with the right in the right environment, with the right people, with the right thoughts, within this right energy. Say yes to receive these downloads. Keep rolling, keep moving, keep rising, keep shining. That's my plan, to encourage each one of us in together in oneness, in this energy of creation of all that is. And see you next for our next talk. Tata, bye bye.